Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Obsessed Ex-Girlfriend Refuses to Leave the Property, Ends Badly.
Stop! You're being ridiculous! You're acting like you're 10!
On November 4th, 2025, officers responded to a call where a man requested help removing his ex-girlfriend from his property. She claimed she lived at the residence and said he had locked her out. The man stated the two were no longer together, that she did not live there, and asked that she be trespassed from the property, explaining this had been an ongoing issue. He also said he had previously attempted to obtain an emergency order of protection, but it was denied. Officers asked the woman for proof of residency, but she could not provide any and refused to leave.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. We're not waiting. Let's go. Come on. It requires that you walk to your car. Let's go. I promise you this. This is the last opportunity. You go to jail, you're going to sit in jail, and we don't want to hear you crying and saying, I won't do it again, because at that point we've crossed that line of departure. You're going to sit there and you're not going to come back here. Because we'll just go to the judge and say that this trespassing act will not stop. Hold her until her court date. You're choosing this. We're not choosing this for you. But we're being very patient and very kind, because in normal situations, we would have already been on our way to the jail with you. So you have to start walking. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
I need a second.
You don't need a second. Let's go.
I do need a second.
No, you don't. Let's.
I need a second.
You don't. You can get a second out there.
Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
You're going to go to jail.
Touch me.
Walk out or you're going to jail. Walk out there.
Don't touch me.
We're not. Walk.
Don't touch me. I don't want to you guys touch me.
They go. They leave.
Nice piece of property that guy got.
She's just going to sit in her car. Yep. Well, no, now she's just going to sit in her car and not leave. It's fine. So. She can get out of the car and go to jail.
Bust the window, guys. Let's get it together.
Now we have forced entry on her car and drag her out of here.
She ain't acting right.
What's that? What do you want to do? I mean, really hate to have to force entry on a car and take her to jail for obstructing, you know?
I'm not doing anything. Oh, please, I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. I'm leaving. Okay, I promise I'm leaving.
Good job, boys. Oh yeah, she definitely leaving now.
I'm leaving! I'm leaving! Okay.
Don't pick me, I'm going to take you down.
Please stop! Please stop! Please stop! I'm leaving! Ow!
Take her down. This one's good.
I said I would leave.
Yeah, too late. We gave you like 1,000 opportunities.
You told me to get out of the car. And that's what I did. I got out of my car.
No, you got out of your car because you tried to chase him.
I wasn't waiting for please.
Mike? Yeah.
Please, I will leave. Please, I will leave. Please don't do this.
We gave you a chance, ma'am.
I've never had anything on my record.
We gave you every opportunity, ma'am.
Anything on my record, please.
Well, first time for everything.
I'm going to leave. Please, please, I can't. Please help me.
No, we're past that.
I promise I will leave today. I can't do this to my family. I can't
kicking. Stop kicking me.
Ow.
Stop kicking me.
I want. I'm scared. I'm scared. Ah!
Stop.
Ah! Oh my God. I'm scared.
You're going to jail.
Please don't do this.
You're telling us that. We've given you 1,000 chances.
And I'm leaving. I know. I waited.
No,
I promise I'm leaving. Please don't do this.
Point of no return.
I don't want to do this to my family.
Stop resisting.
Please.
Now you're resisting.
Please.
You're resisting arrest. That's another charge.
I'm leaving
You're
and you guys
resisting.
can follow me.
You're resisting.
Please.
Stop resisting.
Please, I beg you. Ow!
Get in the car.
That hurts. That hurts.
Get in the car.
You are hurting.
Sit in the car. What are you doing?
Because I don't want to be arrested. I don't want to be
You're
arrested.
already under arrest.
I'm
You're
sorry.
already under arrest.
I don't want to. Ow.
Well, you should have listened.
And I'm sorry. Okay, I'm f***ing sorry. Ah! Stop.
All right, give us this.
Oh.
She's got to get this thing.
Are you buckled in me?
Please. Please.
Get this. Get that leg.
Please. Oh.
Chill out.
Oh, she just peed myself. You assholes. My bladder. My bladder.
Yeah, just hop in.
I said please.
I said stop.
I
said stop.
I won't leave.
No, it's too late. Stop screwing around.
Please. Please. Please, I beg you, please. I can't do this to my family.
Seriously, this is ridiculous.
Ow!
Stop it. Stop. You're being ridiculous. You're acting like you're 10. You're going to get yourself hurt and one of us hurt. Sit there and be an adult. I'm tired of talking to you like you're 2.
I'm sorry.
I don't care. At this point, we're done. Stop kicking.
Ow.
Stop. Here, come. You know what? Yeah. Hold that knee. Can you hold that knee over there?
Yep.
That's what I didn't want. You guys lied to me. They lied to me.
No, you should take your ass out of here.
You're right, I should have. But I needed a second.
Shut up. I don't hear.
Shut up,
Shut your mouth.
asshole.
You wouldn't be here if you'd taken your ass out of here when they asked you to.
Yeah, you what?
We wouldn't be in this situation
Oh, what the?
if you'd taken your silly ass out of here when they asked you to.
Yeah, and you know what? I was going to. I don't want to have anything on my record. I've never had.
You know, this was very interesting. But they did all of that just to not buckle her in anyways. Like, I mean, I think eventually she kind of gets tied up in there or whatever. But honestly, I mean, I know, you know, some police departments, it's their policy. You know, you got to buckle them in and everything. But, man, somebody being that combative like that, man, I'm throwing her ass in there and we out of there. You know, like, come on, I'm not about to keep wrestling with you to just get this goddamn seatbelt on, man. You don't want the seatbelt on, man? Fuck it. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Shit, throw your ass right in there, you know. But it is a liability, you know what I'm saying? Let's say they get into an accident or whatever on the way there. You know, but that was a whole lot of wrestling just for a seatbelt, man. It should be something along the lines of, you know, if they're combative, fuck it. You can't get it on, you can't get it on. You know what I'm saying? She doing everything in her power to not get this seatbelt on. And all you had to do was get in your car and drive away. What kind of, man, these relationships make you do some crazy things, boy.
I had maybe a few speeding tickets when I was back in high school. I don't want this. I already went through so much with him. Is there anything you can do just to still prevent this from going even worse?
We're way past that.
Can you at least not charge me with something that's going to be... I don't know. I'm scared of that.
I think you have to learn about consequences.
I never did anything like this. How long am I going to be there for, just so I can prepare myself? Please don't charge me with anything that will hurt me. Please. I'm sorry.
I'll charge her with everything in the book.
Are Are these windows tinted back here?
Yes.
So I'm not seen?
What?
Am I seen by these children? How often do these instances happen? You have to deal with?
Every day.
Is mine severe?
Yeah, because you didn't listen.
Well, I think I was trying to prove a point to Camille.
Well, you're not proving a point to him.
Are they going to hurt me here?
What's that?
Are they going to hurt me here?
Are they going to hurt you? No.
If you don't act right.
Jay, I don't know. I've never.
Hey. Are they gonna hurt me here? Like, listen, the proper answer and the professional answer is no. Now I'm gonna give you the real answer. If you don't act right, you better get it together. This ain't the outside world. You coming inside the jail or the prison, wherever you go. Yeah. You better, hey, all that do want to fight back. You better get it together. They not playing in there, boy. This is not the general public, boy. Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, there is a reason you don't see much body cam footage inside the prisons, okay, or the jails. You know.
And I don't want to go in here. Can we turn around?
No.
I'm scared.
Are you gonna keep fighting me? All right, because otherwise there's gonna be like a whole army of guys coming out here to carry you away. So.
The woman was charged with criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, and aggravated battery to a peace officer.
Ooh, aggravated battery to a peace officer. Ooh, that's the one. That's one of them ones right there, boy. She said, "Are they gonna hurt me in there?" No. You better get it together. You better act like you got some common sense, okay? Tighten up. But yeah, so anyway, I think the officers did pretty good, man. I think they was more than fair. And actually, you know, she came out because of the guy. The guy was there in his other car and he was going into his house or whatever. So she ended up coming out. But I mean, listen, if she wasn't going to leave, it's time to bust out that window. Just because, honestly, just because you being a pain in the ass, you know, let's go. You know, we gonna make you pay. You making us waste our time for this right here? Okay. Well, I got something for you. Don't worry about it. You want to sit in your car all day? Don't worry about it. Now you're going to get the tow fee because they're going to tow your car. Now you're going to have to get a new window. You're going to have to deal with your charges. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All because you want to throw a hissy fit because he dumped your ass. Come on. Come on, man. I mean, I know he got a nice piece of property. Anybody would want to be there. It's beautiful. They got the lake and everything. Shit, you know, but your time was up, baby. That's it. On to the next one. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Yo, look, I'm giving them officers a 5 out of 5. They did a good job, man. You know what I'm saying? They did a great job. As soon as she got out that car, they was on her like a pack of hyenas, boy. But anyway, yeah. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.